Meaning of fodder.
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 Fodder. The word fodder refers to food, especially dried hay or straw, that is given to animals such as cows or horses. This can also refer to any material that is used as a source of nourishment or encouragement. In a figurative sense, it can also mean something that is used to provide support or strength to a particular situation or endeavor. Overall, fodder is a term that is primarily associated with the feeding of animals, but can also be used more broadly to describe any kind of nourishing material.